Good morning, everybody. We got some gap ups. We got CPI. It dumped. It fly up. Let's see what's going on. ES last night went down after the debate, and then this morning CPI report came in, went down. So far already a V recovery, and indicators on the ES 15 is up, 30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hours still very bullish on the TTM squeeze. But the problem is on daily we have a red bar on TTM squeeze and weekly is still downward. So there's mixed signal on daily and weekly, but the 4 hour is pointing up. And right now, if we break the higher in the future of the last night, then we are good to go for higher runner. Techs are stronger, nicer bounce up there. Yeah, so NQ you can see here 15:31 hours upward, 4 hours up. TTM squeeze we got red bars, but red bar that MACD is flattening right now. So if it daily MACD comes up, then good morning, Amnon. Thank you. If the daily MACD comes up, we can have a crazy run up. Keep in mind in August 5 when market went down, a few days we went up, and then finally when the daily MACD golden crossed, that's when the real move up started. PPI is tomorrow, so that's gonna have a big effect too. Dow Jones, 2 and 4 hour we got red, dark blue bars. Weekly MACD is dead crossing. Nothing exciting about Dow. I'm not interested in Dow. IWM RTY still red. This one needs to do a V recovery to join it. DXY. The two still inside the range and the daily charts, but it jumped after the CPI. 10-year jumped. Right now they're predicting a 0.25 um, rate cut, but we'll see what the PPI does tomorrow. 4 hour is golden cross on the 10 year. 10 year is coming up, so if 10 year continues going higher, 4.042 maybe comes. We'll see. Wicks to do Wicks diving down. Next key level to watch is 1812. If you go below that, market is gonna get very squeezy. Below that, we're looking at 1726, 1639, 1586. Very bearish pre-market. 1531 hours pointing down. 4 hour we got red bars downward, and daily MACD is curved down. So futures are just ripping up. BTC. BTC, it went down, it recovers a little bit, but it's still in the red zone. 4 hours still bullish upward, but daily MACD is still pointing down. What else you got here? Apple. Apple after the event right now is just staying in a tight range. 4 hour, we're getting a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. Key is 221.87. Need to pass that one strong for having a run up. If we pass that one, we're looking at 222, 224, and 226. Again, if you 219 can't hold it, those are the support levels to watch. Amazon is already in the breakout. The 180 is opening above it. The next key level to watch is 182. If 182.06 breaks, it's gonna go crazy. 185, 188 is the next target. Supports are 177, 174, 173 if it breaks below 180. Nvidia is running up crazy. Jensen is talking today. Right now, 110, 112. It's possible to come at open. Very bullish pre-market. 4 hour TTM squeeze is very bullish upward. It continues going higher right now. The higher this goes, the higher market flies up. And all market follows. Remember, Nvidia is the market. AVG. Let me show you the support levels. In case 108.95 can hold it, supports are 107, 107, and 105.82. AVGO, nice run up yesterday. It was actually it was interesting. Yesterday when market fell, AMD and AVGO they were the first name to do a V recovery, and then they went crazier higher. So keep an eye on this one. 1 hour was dead crossing, but it's curving up right now. 15 is golden cross. So next key level to watch is 150. 150 pass, that's a mental level. We're looking at 151, 155, 12. That's the next major level. If 148 can hold it, supports are 145, 143. Coin, due to BTC being red, it's pulled back to 152, but it's recovering. Again, 156 is a key level to watch. If 156.15 pass, then we can run up back to 158, 161. I like that the TTM squeeze got a light blue one on the 4 hour, but it's still very bearish on daily and weekly. Netflix, it's still in a tight range. If you look at the daily, it's just up and down. And earning is in 1 month. Most likely, it's gonna have a probably a run up pre that. And pre market right now, 31 hour, everything is upward. So this one, if it runs up 679, 684, next target level supports 675, 672. Meta, nice gap up. It was gap up. CPI pulled it down, then it run up again. 31 hours upward, 4 hour we get yellow bars on the TTM squeeze. Still very bearish on daily and weekly. It's possible to have some jump up at open, then we'll see if it's gonna fail or go higher. 507.88 if pass is strong. We're looking at 511, 514. Above 514 is 515, 16, and 18, 69 next major level. Below 503, it can go for dive down again to the lower levels. Tesla. Inside, still inside the yo-yo range. 226.39 is a major level to watch. 1 hour is dead crossing. 30 is still not golden cross, and so it's still in a yo-yo range. It's all about 226 and 223.67. If it passed 226, then we're looking for a good run up to 227, 229, 232. If 223 can hold it, retest 220, 219. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly. 4 hour, I like that it got golden cross yesterday. We got the first light blue bar, so it does have a chance for more run up to come. Microsoft was very interesting. Yesterday it opened and it jumped huge, and then it reversed because market reversed. But looky here, daily MACD is golden cross confirmed. 4 hours very bullish upward. Is already opening almost above the yesterday high, which is 416. So that's the key level you want to watch. 416, 48. If it passed, we're looking at 418, 420. About 420 can go crazy or higher. Those are the levels. But again, it's possible, same like yesterday, if it fails below 415, 413, 412, 411, and doubt 49. Google, nice jump up, nice bounce up from the Friday, from 2 days before that, and it opened, it went up, but then again, market weakness, it went down and it closed lower. I like that the 4 hour finally is golden cross. Daily and weekly are still very bearish, but remember, every time this goes down, it does have a bounce up. Here went to 157, bounced back to here 160. The other time, let me show you here. So yeah, it was 155, it bounced back up to 167, and there are more examples in the back. So right now it does have a possibility to bounce up bigger. Key is 155, 151, 55. Need to pass that one strong, and then we're looking at 152, 154, and 156. Pre-market 1531 hours upward, so watch out for 151, 55. That's a key level to watch. AMD, to do nice jump up yesterday, tagging along AVGO. Right now it's gapping up 2 points. 145, 146.87 next major level. Very bullish, is still on the 4 hour. This one, when it goes multi-days. So you can see here, once it went to 120, from 120 it went multi-days upward toward 160. So right now it seems like that movement has started. So 146 if it passed, then we're looking at 151, 156, 164. Not sure how high it can go, but until the 4 hour MACD is not dead cross, it can continue going higher. Supports levels are 143.7, 142.72 if it can hold lower levels. Looking bullish pre-market. 30 minutes MACD is golden cross. SMCI, need to pass 416 is strong. Then we can have a run up to 420, 424, 428. If it goes crazy, 433, 440. But this stock is in trouble because they still haven't, released the data that they should. SPY, nice V recovery, but right now 1 minute MACD is near dead cross. It's all about 550.37. If you can't pass that one, then we run up to 552, 553. Pre-market right now, 1531 hours upward, 4 hour very bullish upward. The stochastic fast daily is coming up, weekly stochastic fast is coming up, so it does have a chance for another run up. If PPI comes good, we may have a bigger run up this week. QQQ, this one next target is 461, 462.55. Above that, those are the next major levels. Looking bullish pre-market on all time frames except daily and weekly. That's pretty much it on the major names. Let me see what else. SMH, if Nvidia goes, this one can go crazy. 226, 227, 229. Above that, next major is 230 to 235. About GS and JP Morgan. Oh my god, this was just crazy yesterday. Um, it's probably gonna have an inside flat day today, up and down. But if it breaks 469 or 458, it can have a bigger move. Wait for the breakout. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a range day for a few days probably. JP Morgan, same thing. Um, it's hovering around 205. Watch out for 202, 208. Once it breaks either way, another big move gonna come. MSTR due to BTC is gapping down. Need to get above 127.47 for run up again. That's pretty much it. Oh, Adobe has earning this week, so keep an eye on that one. ENPH, FSLR, they both gapping up. They like the debate. No 110 if it passes. We look at 113, 116. Above that if it gets crazy. 121, 124, 128. FSLR, 219 if it passed, 221, 223, 225. Above 225, if it gets crazy, 227, 229, 232. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.